Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, is a delicious and nutritious drink made by combining turmeric, a spice with numerous health benefits, with milk. Here are some of the amazing health benefits of turmeric milk. Anti-inflammatory. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. This can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the joints, digestive system, and even the brain. Boosts immunity. Turmeric has immune-boosting properties and can help protect against various infections and diseases. Improves digestion. Turmeric can help improve digestion by increasing the production of bile, which helps to break down fats in the body. Reduces stress. Turmeric has been shown to have a positive effect on mood and can help reduce stress and anxiety. Helps with weight loss. Some research suggests that turmeric may help with weight loss by decreasing fat tissue and increasing muscle mass. Improves brain function. Turmeric may help improve brain function, including memory and cognitive performance. Helps with skin health. Turmeric has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help improve skin health and reduce the appearance of acne, eczema, and other skin conditions. Reduces the risk of heart disease. Turmeric may help reduce the risk of heart disease by decreasing inflammation and improving cholesterol levels. May prevent cancer. Turmeric has antioxidant properties that may help prevent the development of cancer cells. May improve symptoms of depression. Some research suggests that turmeric may be effective in improving symptoms of depression. May improve symptoms of arthritis. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce pain and improve mobility in people with arthritis. May improve symptoms of Alzheimer's disease. Some research suggests that turmeric may help improve symptoms of Alzheimer's disease by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. May improve symptoms of asthma. Turmeric may help improve symptoms of asthma by reducing inflammation in the airways. May improve symptoms of diabetes. Turmeric may help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of developing diabetes. It's important to note that while these health benefits of turmeric milk are promising, more research is needed to fully understand the effects of turmeric on these conditions. If you are interested in adding turmeric milk to your diet, it's best to speak with a healthcare provider first.